My science fun. Creating rain. Do you like rainy days? It's fun to play in the rain. You can jump in puddles. You can make a big splash. Rainy days are fun, but do you ever wonder where rain comes from or where it goes? What if we made a model of rain? Do you think it would help us understand? Let's find out. You'll need half a cup of dirt, Ziploc sandwich bag, spray bottle of water, tape, and a window. You will need these things. Put the dirt in the sandwich bag. Use the spray bottle to moisten the dirt. Zip up the sandwich bag. Tape the bag to a window. Make sure the window gets plenty of sun. What do you think will happen? Over the next few days, check the bag. Observe what is happening. What do you see? The water leaves the dirt. It becomes droplets. The droplets fall on the dirt. Why do you think this is? Continue to watch the bag. Compare what happens on sunny and cloudy days. Good job, you're done. Science is fun. What new questions do you have?